Hey, welcome everybody. March 18th, Tuesday. I don't know what time it is, 11 or so. Beautiful out. We've got a little bit of a wind going. And yeah, I'm pleased with what's happening out here. I've pH some water. Let me get out of the shadow here. pH some water, 6.2, 6.3, right in that range. And top dressed these yesterday. Was it? It's water day today. Let's take a look. See here, you got all these 1, 2, 3 Fatbud seeds. Caribbean Dream and the American Gangster. Yeah, they're looking pretty damn good. Let's give them a little drink here. If I can do this, let's see. Come right around to here. There we go. Okay. I already gave them some. I'm just giving that extra. Yeah, they're looking good. I didn't think this one was even going to make it right here. Beautiful color on this one. Nice leaves. All right. And let's get over here to the American. Let me see if I can do this. Yeah, no athleticism anymore. Shit, I'll fall over a piece of paper. All right. Be right back. All right. Check these out over here. This is that Dream Rider, planted from a seed. If you haven't, well, you probably haven't or can't remember, but when I planted that, it was from a seed that germinated in a paper towel that dried up completely. Found it, soaked the paper towel, I'll be damned, it produced a tail about an inch long, 3/4 of an inch. Look at that thing. Let's give her a little bit of drink there, and I also top dressed these girls out here. They're in 5-gallon buckets, Fox Farm soil. This one, yeah, who knows? Maybe you get a little food on it. I don't know. In it, on it. Oh, there you have it. And the reason all these buckets are out here is because these plants are coexisting with a cat. I'm going to picture that. We call him Stray. Beautiful cat. Yeah, we keep it, the plants covered with these. Buckets work great. Cold weather, whatever, but keeps the cat out. It's going to be 92 degrees next week. 92 degrees. These things are going to just love that sun. They're going to love it. A little yellowing on that leaf, right, where is it? Right there. But that's nothing. I just like this one here, this Caribbean Dream. I think it's going to be a nice plant. This one's going to come along too. All right, there you have it. 2025 Cat Box Grow Summer. Into the summer.